Alright, so if you're an Amazon FBA seller or thinking about starting one, you've probably heard of Helium 10 and Jungle Scout, which are two of the most popular tools for product research and building a successful Amazon business. Now, I've actually used both tools for my own Amazon business and have tested their features to find products, optimize listings, and track performance. And each tool has its own strengths and areas where it could be improved. So in today's video, I'll be comparing Helium 10 and Jungle Scout based on my experience. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one best fits your needs. Also, please watch all the way to the end so you can hear my final decision on which one might be the best option for your business. Now, if you're thinking about trying out Helium 10, use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout to get 10% off of all of their plans for life, or OPTIMIZE20 to save 20% off of your first 6 months. And for Jungle Scout, you can use the discounted affiliate link that I left down in the description below, where you'll get a discount that you wouldn't be able to get by going just about anywhere else, even directly on their website. That said, let's get right into it. Okay, so starting with Helium 10, which I've been using for a while now, and has become one of my go-to tools for managing my Amazon FBA business. Helium 10 includes features designed to help sellers with everything, from finding profitable products to optimizing their listings and tracking performance. One of the things I like most is how well organized everything is. The tools are in one place, so you don't have to switch between different platforms, which was a problem I faced with other platforms. Now, for product research, their black box tool is very useful. It basically lets you filter products by price, competition, and demand, which makes it easier to narrow down potential products to sell. And once you find something interesting, XRay, which is their Chrome extension tool, helps you go over important details while browsing on Amazon. Just click on the extension while looking at a product page, and it'll show you things like how much the product is making, how many reviews it has, and whether the sales are consistent. This makes it easier to see if a product is actually worth selling or if there's too much competition. Another area where Helium 10 stands out is listing optimization. With tools like Scribbles and Listing Builder, it's easy to organize your titles, bullet points, and descriptions in a unique way that grabs attention and can help your product show up in search results. On top of that, their keyword research tools, Cerebro and Magnet, work really well together. Cerebro lets you check out what keywords your competitors are ranking for just by putting in their ASIN, and then Magnet helps you find high traffic keywords to improve your listings. Using both tools makes it a lot easier to optimize your product pages and ad campaigns, so you're not just guessing what people are searching for. Another feature I've used a lot is Profits, which tracks your sales and gives you detailed insights into your revenue and profit margins. It's very helpful for planning inventory ahead of time or figuring out areas where you can cut costs. And if you're planning for seasonal trends, the Trendster tool lets you see what's in demand so you can stock up ahead of time. Now, the automation features really helped me save time. For example, you can set up alerts to keep track of your product rankings, review changes, or inventory updates, so you know what's going on without constantly checking it manually. Plus, their Atomic tool is perfect for managing Amazon PPC campaigns, which takes care of the hard work for you, like adjusting bids and refining targeting, but still lets you customize and fine-tune your ad strategy tailored to your business. Besides that, Helium 10 also has tutorials and resources that explain how to use each tool step by step. And there's also a private Facebook group where you can connect with other sellers to share tips and ask questions. Overall, Helium 10 is one of the most powerful tools out there for Amazon sellers, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your business. Once you get everything set up, it makes running your FBA business way more effective and gives you the insights you need to grow, and save time so you can focus on other important aspects of your business. Okay, so now that we talked about Helium 10, let's move on to Jungle Scout, which has been one of the most reliable tools for Amazon sellers for years. I've personally used Jungle Scout for a couple of projects, and it's one of those tools that really makes the entire process of selling on Amazon a lot simpler and offers a ton of features to help you succeed. It's designed to help you find products that can actually make you money and help you make smarter decisions along the way. One of its best features is the product database, where you can filter by things like sales, competition, and profit margins, so you're not wasting hours going through random listings. They also have the Opportunity Finder, which is great for finding niches that have high demand but less competition, giving you a better chance at success. Plus, Jungle Scout makes keyword research easier with tools like Keyword Scout, which help you find the best keywords to rank your products higher on Amazon. And it also gives you data like search volume, trends, and competition, so you can optimize your listings and ad campaigns effectively. Another feature I've relied on a lot is the Supplier database. It's especially helpful if you're looking for products for the first time, because it lets you find trusted suppliers, compare prices, and even see which manufacturers other sellers are working with. This can save you from making costly mistakes when choosing suppliers. Besides that, the Sales Analytics feature is great for tracking your revenue, profits, and even expenses like Amazon fees. This is super helpful for managing your business and identifying areas where you can cut costs or improve performance. And if you're running ads, Jungle Scout's PPC tools help you create, optimize, and manage your campaigns so you can get the most out of your ad budget. Now, for beginners, there are some great resources to help you along the way. So if you ever get stuck, they have tutorials, guides, and even a private Facebook group where you can connect with other Amazon sellers. It's a great place to ask questions, share experiences, and learn from others who are also using the platform. To sum it up, Jungle Scout is one of the best platforms for Amazon sellers because it's designed to make every step of the process easier. From finding winning products to managing your sales, it covers everything you need in one place. So if you're serious about selling on Amazon, it's definitely a tool worth checking out, especially if you're a beginner. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does it all cost? If you're just starting out, Jungle Scout's starter plan costs around $30 a month and includes the essential tools for product and keyword research, letting you track up to 50 products. For most sellers, the Growth Accelerator plan that costs about $50 a month is a better option, since it includes more advanced tools like review automation, listing analyzer, a rank tracker, plus 1 year of historical keyword data. But if you're running a larger business or working with a team, the Brand Owner plus Competitive Intelligence plan costs just under $300 per month and offers deeper market insights, competitor tracking, and up to 2,000 tracked products. There's also an enterprise plan, Cobalt, with custom pricing for larger brands and agencies. On the other hand though, Helium 10 offers a free plan, so you can test out their tools before committing, but it does of course come with limited access to a lot of their key features. Next, they have the Starter plan, which starts at $29 a month and includes more advanced features. So instead of just the basics, you get tools like Black Box for product research, Cerebro, which helps you find the best keywords your competitors are using, making it easier to optimize your listings, and Trendster for tracking market trends. After that, I'd recommend you go with the Platinum plan, which costs $80 a month and comes with all the key tools for product research, listing optimization, and tracking sales. And if you're running a larger business or working with a team, the Diamond plan, which costs just about $230 a month, might be worth it. It includes multi-user accounts and advanced analytics to make managing your business even easier. Now, neither platform offers a free trial, but they both come with a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you try it out and decide it's not for you, you can cancel within the first week for a full refund. And again, if you decide to try out either Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, you can check out the special affiliate discount links in the description down below. It won't cost you anything, and you'll get a discount that isn't available directly through their website. That said, while both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout are very helpful tools for Amazon sellers, just like any product or service, they each have areas where they could be improved. For instance, with Helium 10, there's a bit of a learning curve. At first, it can feel like there are just so many tools, and it can be hard to know where to start. For example, Cerebro and Magnet might seem confusing until you realize that they're actually designed to work together. And that's when things start to click. But remember, they have tutorials that walk you through every step. So even if you're confused at first, you'll get the hang of it. Now, while Jungle Scout is a little easier to use, if this is your first time selling on Amazon, it might take some time to get comfortable with all the features and how they work together. It's not a deal breaker, but just something to keep in mind. That said, once you get past the initial learning phase, most sellers find it really helpful and worth it. So wrapping up this review, how do you decide between Helium 10 and Jungle Scout? Well, in my opinion, Helium 10 is a great option if you want a platform that covers everything, from product research and keyword tracking to listing optimization and inventory management. It's designed for sellers who are ready to grow and optimize their business using advanced features and tools. On the other hand, Jungle Scout is perfect for beginners or those looking for a more straightforward solution. It focuses on the essentials, making it easier to get started without being overwhelmed by too many options. Ultimately, the choice depends on where you are in your Amazon selling journey, whether you're just starting out or ready to grow your business. Both tools offer valuable features to help you succeed, so pick the one that best fits your needs and goals. And just as a quick reminder, if you decide to try out Helium 10, use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout to get 10% off of all of their plans for life, or OPTIMIZE20 to save 20% off of your first 6 months. And for Jungle Scout, you can use the discounted affiliate link that I left down in the description below, where you'll get a discount that you wouldn't be able to get by going just about anywhere else, even directly on their website. And if you're interested, I've also linked full in-depth reviews of both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout down below that go into even more detail about each feature and my personal experiences using them. So make sure to check those out if you want to learn more. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this one. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.